down against a wall and think of nothing at all. But you think of nothing at all. For the ones who can't see or not hear any sounds in this life, try to feel what that's like, 'cause no one gets to decide. When days don't seem right, just shine, 'cause this world is yours. Like today when you're walking away, hold your head up so high, 'cause I tell you from here that you've come so far, and always be who you are. When your head hits the floor and you're beating some more, let me tell you what's there. It does get better from where you are. For all those millionaires, girls, all the boys, nothing more, and the girls, lovely girls, I tell you it does get better. We all wanted to do here, mine. For all the lovers who are small as they walk down the aisle in this life, saying beautiful words they will finally heard. And all the women and the men watch time and again for this fight. It's finally right. Now we're all breathing life. And now that we've come so far, always say who you are. When we're walking somewhere, hold your head high and say, for the ones who can see from the challenges, you're not on your own. Together we're strong and never get blown. When you're feeling so small, get your back off that wall. Will you open your eyes? I tell you it does get better from where you are. In the sky above, these are children you love, all the families you come from must be in total. It's better from where you are. For all those millionaires, girls, all the girls, are you ready? Eyes wide, talking words, and the girls, every girl that you come so far from where you are. For those millionaires, girls, all the boys, loving boys, and the girls, loving girls, I tell you it does get better. Always say who you are. For those millionaires, girls, all the boys,
Can you do me a favour? In a second, put your hands into a heart shape for me.
tell you it does get better. Always say who you are. For those millionaires, girls, all the boys, loving boys, and the girls, loving girls,
Perfect.
tell you it
Perfect.
does get better. Please remember to download the singles. Thank you very much. Please hang around as well, because there's a band coming on in a minute.